Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD Matrix. Today we are going to explore 5 essential editing commands: erase, copy, move, rotate and offset. If you have not seen the previous 5 commands, I have given the link in the description and you can watch them. These commands will help you manipulate your drawings with ease, so let's dive right in. First up, we have the erase command. This command is straightforward but crucial for cleaning up your drawings. Type erase or just E and hit enter. Select the objects you want to erase, press enter or click the right mouse button and the object will be removed. You can also select multiple objects and erase them. You can also use this command by clicking on the erase icon in the modify panel. The erase command removes unwanted objects from your drawing, helping you to keep your drawing clean and organized. Next, we have the copy command, which allows you to duplicate objects in your drawing. Type copy or CO and press enter. Select the objects you want to copy and press enter. Specify a base point. Move your cursor to the desired location and click to place the copy. You can continue placing copies or press enter to finish. You can also use this command from modifier panel. The copy command is perfect for duplicating objects such as repeating elements in your design without redrawing them. Moving on, the move command lets you reposition objects within your drawing. Type move or M and hit enter. Select the objects you want to move and press enter. Specify a base point. Move your cursor to the new location and click to place the objects. You can also move objects using move icon in the modify panel. The move command helps you reposition objects, allowing you to adjust your drawing layout easily. Next is the rotate command, which enables you to turn objects around a specified base point. Type rotate or RO and press enter. Select the objects you want to rotate and press enter. Specify the base point around which you will rotate. Enter the rotation angle and press enter. You can also rotate it using the mouse. Just rotate the mouse in the desired direction and click. You can also find rotate command in the modify panel. The rotate command is essential for adjusting the orientation of objects, ensuring they align correctly within your design. Last but not least, the offset command allows you to create parallel copies of objects at a specified distance. Type offset or O and press enter. Specify the offset distance and press enter. Select the object you want to offset. Click on the side where you want the offset to be placed. You can offset any object or shape, whether it's a circle, rectangle, arc or polyline. The offset command is great for creating parallel lines, curves and other shapes that need to maintain a consistent distance from the original object. Also, you can find this command in modify panel. And that's it for today. These 5 commands are essential for editing and refining your drawings in AutoCAD. Practice using them and you will find your workflow becoming much more efficient. In the next video, I will explain the next 5 commands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials. See you in the next video.